how to record your screen using Potion's Chrome extension. So once you install and pin the extension, you can click on the extension icon in your Chrome browser. Once you click that, you will see all the options that you have for recording. I'm going to click on the screen recording option. Then you can see there are a couple of things you can do here. First is a flip to camera button, which allows you to see yourself in the camera, so you can record like an intro message for your screen recording or the demo. I'm going to flip it back to the screen recording mode. You can also mute yourself while recording your screen, so there is no background noise, or if you want the video to be speech-free video, you can simply use the mute option. If you're unhappy with your recording, you can always click on the cancel button to stop the recording. But for now, for this example, I'm going to click on start recording. Once you click on that button, you will see three options that you can choose from. One is you can record your entire screen. You can record one of the windows that you have open, or you can select one of the tabs. So I'm going to select this current tab, which is my Gmail, and click on share. That will actually start recording my screen. Cool. Now that I'm recording my screen, I can see the timer of the elapsed time of this. Yeah, I can flip it back to my camera mode. Hi there. I can mute myself and unmute myself, flip it back to normal. Once I'm happy with my recording, I can click on stop and save, which will open a new tab in your browser. Your link of the video will be copied as well, and it'll show you the actual video that you just recorded.